Today we're talking about how follow-up is a waste of time. Hello all, it's Gregory Martire, local real estate coach, mentor, friend in the business. Today's video is talking about how follow-up is a waste of time. All right, so it's sort of a catchy title here. Follow-up is not a waste of time, but following up with someone who doesn't want to be followed up with might be a waste of time. Getting permission to follow up is the key. So just following up is a waste of time, but just keep following up. What am I saying exactly? We need permission. We need consent. But don't stop following up until they tell you stop calling or never call again. That's permission and consent to stop. You need permission and consent. So getting permission to follow up is a lot of times an easy way for the contact to end the conversation without hurting your feelings. Challenge them on it a little bit. So you're saying I can call you back? It's okay to follow back up with you then, is that right? I don't want to be that annoying sales guy, but may I call you in a week or two? Is it okay? Are you telling me, yes, I can call you back? So following up is a waste when permission has not been given. Anyway, I hope you found this tip useful. If you did or didn't, hit that comment button and let us know. If you have a question, I'd be glad to give you some info. Be glad to give you my opinion. If you wanted to talk about follow-up, glad to do that too. Gregory Martire, local realtor, local real estate coach. Have a great day, everybody.